Hello guys, so I'm currently on campus and I'm just waiting for maths and mga group ko basta we have a presentation today. Like yung first subject ko today, presentation siya, and this is our finals. We badly need to practice. Anyway, nasa JSEC ako ngayon and medyo nagugutom ako. So nag-iisipan ko kung kakain ba ako or not kasi it's almost 9 and 11 to start yung class ko. Actually, matagal pa nga. Maybe I'll just buy a snack. Hindi maaraw, pero super humid. I don't like this kind of... At least kapag maaraw, may hangin pa. Pero ngayon wala talaga. So, I was forced to buy this crown on the way dito. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna prepare first. Magpa-practice kami ng presentation.
Oh my God! Ito na naman! Adapter.
Nasa room na kami. Nakabahan kami. So, naka-blue kami, tapos naka-pink sila. May gender reveal. Hello, nasa UPTC kami. To get lunch. Maya na ako mag-update kasi ang gulo ng buong pagkatao ko. Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch and we're going to like a super huge time zone dito sa UPTC. Tapos na kami maglaro sa time zone. Nakakapagod. Napagod ako. Pero worth it naman. Ang mahal lang ng iba. Bump cars.
125
per person. 190 yung bowling. Per head din. Kaya once lang kami nag-swipe. Kami ng Watsons. May mga bibilin kami. Hello. So as you can see, I am currently in my room in the province, and that's because I've officially moved out of my apartment in Katipunan. It's already finals week, so ilang days na lang yung on-site classes, and usually those on-site classes are for final examination, ganon. I'm mostly done with my major subjects. Yung mga general subjects na lang ako kailangan kong tapusin. I've been sitting here for like 2 hours trying to figure out how to be productive. But I decided to take a step back. This isn't really my usual workspace and medyo natatempt akong humiga and procrastinate, but I really can't do that because I have a paper due tomorrow. I have to read this 20-page part of a book for another research. I have a research for history, I have a research for a research subject, I have a research for philosophy, and I kind of have a research for another subject. I'm just kind of giving myself some space to relax. Or maybe this is me procrastinating. Who cares? It's gonna be my problem anyway. Okay, maybe enough of the procrastination talk. Since I won't be on campus for probably the rest of the week, I might end up studying here. That's gonna be like 70% of this video. Anyway, I'm gonna try and rest for a while. It's just 2 p.m. and I actually started working at 5 p.m. yesterday and I still finished a lot of things. So maybe that's the time that I'm supposed to work. Okay, maybe that's just me making excuses. Okay, so I will update you later and maybe just time-lapse myself studying. So I'll see you later. Hello, it's currently 9:16 in the evening and to be honest, wala pa ako nagagawa. All I did kanina was watch K-drama. Anyway, to compensate for that, I'm planning to stay up all night. I'm no longer nocturnal, but I'm gonna try and finish some stuff, lalo na yung research ko. Actually, may nagawa pala ako kanina. I edited my vlog, but syempre hindi ko pa tapos i-edit. I've been more of a due today person these days. So, ngayon, ipupush natin to the limit. Anyway, I'm gonna start working in a while. I'm just trying to... Ito yung mind-setting period ko. But rest assured, I'm gonna be studying for the rest of the night and probably for the rest of this vlog. Hello guys, so I'm probably so yellow because of the lighting. I had to turn off the lights kasi my head's starting to pound and hindi pwede sumakit yung ulo ko. It's already 12:30. Natapos akong magbasa around 11:30-ish. Nagpahinga lang akong mga 5 minutes tapos nag-work na ako agad kasi I didn't wanna mess up my momentum. I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep any moment now. So far, I haven't had any cup of coffee, just water. Okay, let's get back to work. Good morning. So, it is already 8 a.m. and inabot lang ako ng 3 a.m. kaninang umaga working on my research. Nakatulog na rin ako, hindi na ako nakapag-update sa vlog. Right now, I'm gonna get ready for school. I have to attend something. Tapos, I'll be going to a cafe with my friend. See you later. Hello, I just made it back to the house. I think it's already 6 p.m. Medyo pagod na ako, so I might rest. Napagod ako sa biyahe and kanina sa cafe, I was working talaga. So hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog. I feel like malapit ako ma-drain, which cannot happen. I have like 2 orals next week. This 2 consecutive days ko siya. So I need plenty of brain power. Yeah, I'll update you later, guys.
It is what it is, man, whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.